Okay, so what we're looking at here is the bottom side of a Philips 312, and I couldn't get the Q switch to work. So what I wound up doing was first thing, disassemble. There's 1, 2, 3 little bolts that you need to take care of, get out of there. They look like this. So you just remove those and this whole thing lifts off. Let me see if I can do this here. And I just got these books here for it to kind of set against it inside here. And the whole queuing switch mechanism kind of hinges on two parts. The first part is when you actually push the button, you can see here this piece moving. See if I can get better focus. There we go. See how that moves. And it needs to stay in the down position, and that wasn't staying for me. I believe it's working now. See, and the way I got that to work is just a lot of contact cleaner right in there, where we saw that in exercising the button a lot. But then also, you can see that there's a cable. This cable actually connects to that mechanism, and I wound up having to do a lot of contact cleaner right in here too. You can see the underneath side, and I wound up just kind of to exercise this to get the oxidation out. Just a lot of this, real gentle, but just did that for a bit. Now, if we look back here, we can see that when it's staying in position and staying in the down position. So I'm about to reassemble it and see if that does the trick. So I'll be back with you.